So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually fund your Sets.io exchange. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can deposit fund from it. So you can use a lot of methods. You can use your card to do the deposit. But specifically for today's video, I'll be focusing on using this other exchanger because it's very easy for me to deposit, using P2P here in Nigeria. So I'm going to be using Bybit to actually deposit USDT to this particular exchanger, which is called Sex.io. So for you to do that is very simple and very straightforward. So what you have to do is to click on this receive option. Click on receive option. Then you are going to search for USDT. Search for USDT from the option. So as you can see, we have Tether. Then click on it. So as you can see, there are little network you can actually use. You can use BIM20, ERC20, then SPL, which is Solana network, and also TRC20. So all those two are very expensive. So I will actually use either TRC20 or Solana network. So let me use Solana network is because I believe it's supposed to be cheap more than TRC20. So let me use Solana network, then actually copy my wallet address. As you can see, the minimum amount I can actually deposit is 5 USDT, and there's no service fee for this particular deposit. So let me copy my wallet address, then come over to Bybit. So this is my Bybit account. As you can see, I already have money inside my Bybit account. If you don't know how to add money into your Bybit account, I've made video about it. I'm going to drop it inside the video description for you to watch. So for you to do the deposit, you have to click on asset once again. Click on asset over here. Then you are going to click on withdraw. Click on withdraw. Then choose the coin you actually want to withdraw. So for the purpose of this tutorial, if you are just using Bybit for the first time, you can actually search for USDT from this option. So search for USDT. So as you can see, I have USDT over here. Click on it. Then you are going to paste the wallet address you copy from sex.io. So I'm going to paste the wallet address over here. Then the next thing is to choose the network. Remember that we actually choose Solana network for our purpose. So they are going to charge us $1 for this particular transaction. You might be asking me that why I don't choose TRC20. If you check, TRC20's charges is about 1.6 US dollar, so which is very expensive. So I will be choosing Solana network, which is going to charge us just $1. So choose Solana network, then actually enter the amount of USDT you want to send. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be sending like 15 USDT. Let me type in 15 USDT. Then the next thing is to click on withdraw. Then click on withdraw. So actually, for the next time, because I'm going to be using this says.io wallet address, so I'm going to click on no verification whenever I'm sending it for the next time. Then click on confirm. So over here, I'm going to send OTP to my email address and also my Google Authenticator to actually confirm this particular transaction. So let me send OTP to my email address, then wait for the OTP to arrive. So as you can see, I've entered my OTP for email address and also my Google authentication code. So click on confirm to actually confirm this particular transaction. So as you can see, withdrawal application submitted. So I'm going to wait for, let me say, 15 minutes or so to actually receive this money inside my sex.io. So after getting it, then I will be able to complete this particular video.
A few moments later.
I'm so excited that I actually got the payment. So let me show you the transaction history. As you can see, so 14 USDT has been deposited. So let me click on it to show you the amount inside my wallet. So it's very simple and very easy to actually do all these deposits. All you have to do is just to follow up with what I'm actually teaching here on this YouTube channel. So I'm going to refresh. As you can see, in my asset, I have 14 USDT. So let me click on it to show you. So as you can see, 14 USDT has been received inside my wallet. So ensure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to show you more about this particular exchange, which is called Says.io, how you can use it, how you can actually convert one currency to another currency. So ensure you subscribe. And if you have not signed up for this particular exchange, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to sign up and be able to actually use this exchange to do all your crypto transaction. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.